What if many of the money rules you grew up hearing are no longer enough to become wealthy? In the old economy, you could spend decades climbing one career ladder. In the new economy, the biggest advantage may come from building something that grows without requiring every hour of your time. Today, we're breaking down the new rules of getting rich in 2026. Some completely change how you think about money. Stop chasing money, start building value. Your income connects to the value you create and the problems you solve. Imagine two people with similar hours worked. One solves high-impact problems and reaches thousands. The other handles low-value tasks. Which one earns more? Don't just ask, how can I make more money? Ask, what valuable problem can I solve? Your skills are your first asset. Skills can be more powerful than starting capital. Categories like sales, communication, and coding are crucial. The goal isn't to collect dozens. It's to become unusually useful in one area and combine complementary skills. Skill stacking matters. Someone who understands finance, content creation, and AI tools may have more doors open than a one-skill individual. Learn to use AI as leverage. AI isn't a money machine, it's a tool. One person can research faster, generate drafts, and automate tasks using AI. The key lies in using AI to amplify thinking, not replace it. Imagine a solo entrepreneur handling multiple tasks efficiently through AI tools, freeing up time for growth. Ownership is vital. Income pays you for work. Ownership pays you for value created by an asset. Think businesses, investments, or intellectual property. Each asset carries risk, but ownership can drastically shift your wealth trajectory. Working fills the bucket. Ownership creates a bucket that collects automatically. Build more than one income engine. Relying on one income source can lead to vulnerability. Start with a primary income, then add side and asset income. For example, combine a full-time job with freelance work and investments. Don't scatter your efforts. Build one reliable engine first. Stop confusing consumption with wealth. Lifestyle inflation can sabotage your progress. Person A upgrades everything as income rises. Person B controls expenses and invests instead. The difference in their financial positions can be staggering. Before major purchases, ask, does this increase my financial capacity? Think in decades, not weeks. Wealth rarely comes from seeking shortcuts. Focus on compound growth, relationships, and skill development. Small improvements over years yield massive results. The true goal isn't quick wealth, it's consistent financial strength. Use leverage carefully. Technology, capital, and other people's skills can amplify results. But beware. Leverage can magnify mistakes. Understand productive versus destructive leverage. Beginners should tread carefully with debt and aggressive investments. Build an audience or distribution advantage. Attention holds economic value. A great product without discovery fails. Building an audience through valuable content is essential. Every video can become an asset, drawing new people long after publication. Become financially hard to break. Protect what you build. Maintain emergency savings, manage debt, and ensure you're continuously employable. Remember, becoming wealthy and staying wealthy are different challenges. Balance growth with careful risk management. The new wealth formula combines high-value skills, AI leverage, ownership, multiple income engines, financial discipline, and long-term compounding. This isn't a guaranteed path to riches, it's a framework for increasing potential. A realistic roadmap for 2026 includes steps like increasing earning power, controlling expenses, and developing a second income. Everyone's journey differs, so seek professional advice when needed. The new rules aren't about shortcuts but creating value, developing skills, using technology wisely, and controlling lifestyle choices. The biggest financial advantage in 2026 isn't just having more money. It's the ability to create, keep, grow, and multiply value. If you want practical ideas about money, business, investing, and building wealth in the modern economy, subscribe to Finance Flow. Comment below. Which of these new money rules will you apply first? In the new landscape of wealth creation, understanding your unique value proposition is key. Reflect on the problems you've solved, the skills you've honed, and the niche you've carved out. This awareness not only empowers you to market yourself better but also helps you identify opportunities for growth and collaboration. As you engage with others, share your experiences and learnings. This openness leads to valuable connections and insights that enhance your journey. Creating wealth in 2026 demands a shift in mindset, where the emphasis moves from simply earning to strategically building. Recognize that your worth isn't dictated solely by your paycheck but by the value you contribute to the market. Start by identifying high-impact problems within your community or industry and brainstorm creative solutions. Instead of seeking approval or validation from traditional roles, position yourself as a problem solver. The more significant the problem you tackle, the greater your potential for reward. Embrace this proactive approach and watch as opportunities unfold around you. Explore complementary skills that enhance your primary expertise. For instance, if you master coding, gaining proficiency in data analysis or design can significantly broaden your appeal to employers or clients. This combination facilitates innovative thinking and positions you strategically in the job market. Focus on how these skill sets interconnect and the unique solutions they can provide. As you accumulate these abilities, seek projects that challenge you and foster growth, progressively elevating your capabilities. Remember, in an ever-evolving economy, those who adapt and evolve with the trends will carve out the most prosperous paths. Strive for a mindset of expansion, not limitation, in your career journey. As you cultivate your skills and embrace the concept of value creation, consider exploring the potential of technology as a multiplier. With advancements in AI and automation, leverage these tools to streamline your processes and enhance productivity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: building connections, innovating solutions, and maximizing your impact. Keep your finger on the pulse of emerging technologies, as they can provide a significant competitive edge. When you harness the power of innovation, you'll not only stand out in your field but also contribute meaningfully to the evolution of your industry. By positioning yourself at the forefront of change, you set the stage for long-term success as you navigate the complexities ahead. Understanding the importance of ownership cannot be overstated in this new paradigm. As you embark on your journey towards wealth, think about the value of accumulating assets that not only generate income but also appreciate over time. Consider investing in businesses, intellectual property, or even real estate. Each asset you build serves as a foundation for financial security, offering the potential for cash flow and capital gains. This shift from earning a paycheck to nurturing ownership inspires a sense of empowerment, as you begin to shape your financial destiny. Ultimately, it's about creating a legacy that transcends the day-to-day grind, enabling you to reap rewards even when you're not actively working. Prioritize ownership, and you'll lay the groundwork for lasting wealth. As you explore the concept of multiple income streams, think creatively about how your passions and skills can intersect to generate revenue. Consider avenues like freelance projects, side hustles, or even crafting digital products that align with your expertise. Each opportunity you pursue should contribute to a sustainable financial ecosystem, where different income sources complement and support one another, creating resilience against economic uncertainties. This approach not only diversifies your financial potential but also encourages experimentation and growth, ultimately enhancing your wealth-building journey. Your financial journey also requires a level of discipline that many overlook. Effective money management goes beyond mere budgeting. It involves setting clear financial goals and regularly evaluating your progress toward those goals. Track your expenses diligently, making adjustments as necessary to ensure you are not only living within your means but actively saving and investing. Cultivating this habit of financial vigilance fosters a sense of security and confidence, enabling you to make informed decisions about your future. The discipline you develop now will serve as a cornerstone for your long-term wealth strategy, reinforcing the importance of responsible financial stewardship as you build wealth over the years. With this foundation, you enhance your ability to seize opportunities and weather unforeseen challenges. This combination of disciplined management and value-driven growth will ultimately define your path toward lasting financial success. As you refine your understanding of these principles, embrace the idea of viewing wealth through a long-term lens. Invest time in developing relationships and networks that align with your values and goals. These connections are invaluable resources, providing support, knowledge, and opportunities that can significantly impact your financial trajectory. Actively seek mentors and engage in communities where mutual growth is fostered. This synergy creates an environment ripe for collaboration and innovation. Remember, wealth building is not a solitary endeavor but a shared journey, and the relationships you cultivate can accelerate your progress toward financial independence and beyond. A sustained focus on partnership and collaboration will enrich your path. The landscape of wealth in 2026 requires a multifaceted approach that transcends traditional earning methods. It's essential to cultivate a mindset that prioritizes value creation, aligning your skills with the needs of the market. This new perspective not only distinguishes you from others but also ensures that you remain adaptable in a rapidly changing economy. Embrace the journey ahead with commitment and strategy, understanding that the ability to innovate and build meaningful connections is what truly sets the foundation for sustainable success. In this evolving financial landscape, remember that wealth isn't just about accumulating assets but fostering relationships and creating lasting value. By embracing innovation and prioritizing ownership, you pave the way for not only personal growth but also a legacy that empowers others. Your journey towards wealth is a cycle of continual learning, adapting, and thriving in the modern economy.